Hello peoples and peeps. I'm going to show you how to animate a jiff, something like this, for your website. And as you can tell, that's a marshmallow being burned over a fire. And you could use this for your signature or whatever. So you open up Gimp wherever you have it. I know I'm using 2.6, but 2.7 should work too. Now, go to File, New, and I'm going to just select a template. Web banner common should be what we need for just this. And you push OK. We got this small area to work with. You might want to expand it a little, but it's not really necessary. Now this, as I said, is a quick way to make fire effect for a GIF animation. So we'll go down and select a gradient. In the German flag smooth colors actually works great. You just click, drag down a little, like I'm doing here. Get straight and let go. That just looks like heat right now, no flame. There's a real easy way to fix that. You go to Smudge, and you get your mouse ready, and you want to smear everything up. Just go up and down rapidly, and don't stop until you reach the end. And you just keep on trucking, and there you go. You got fire. It actually does look like fire considering how little we actually did. Then we'll go, to make it look like it moves, we need to go to Layers, New Layer, make it white, and name it what you want, like fire, because that's what it is. And we're going to do the same thing with the granite again. And since fire randomly goes everywhere, we really don't need to be precise. So we just do exactly the same thing again. More smearing. And I recommend at least 4 frames. See, we're actually just going up and we're just making the pictures so that when we push filters, animation, playback, it'll play these two frames we made so far here. Which right now it doesn't really look like fire because we're not done yet. So we'll do it again, layers, new layer, white, okay. And just repeat. Which is actually can be useful because you can make a semi-cool looking GIF really fast for your avatar or for your signature like I've used. And you're literally only going to spend about 10 minutes probably, which can be really helpful, especially if you have someone that wants something cool looking real fast if you're making something for someone. And it looks real good. And you really didn't do very much. Except make your hand tire for going up and down over and over again. But you just keep doing that for a little while. And we've got 4 frames now, and we'll see how that looks. See, now that actually looks like fire. Naturally, the more you add, the more realistic it'll look, but you don't want it to be too long because it'll make the file size larger, and if people are trying to view it online, it'll take longer. Now, you can't just stop here because you've got a cool fire, but you don't have any name. So to add a name, say like right here, we're going to create a transparent layer. Go to Filters, and we're going to go to... never mind, don't go to Filters. Go to Layers. No, you don't. When you make a text layer, it automatically makes one for you. Just push text layer and put it where you want and choose something that looks interesting. You have tons of fronts, but it's not too hard to add your own. Maybe I'll make a tutorial on that sometime, but not now. And then you type. I use black just simply because it's easy to see over red. You can change it if you want, but it works fine for just this tutorial. Now you got your thing here, but if you notice when you watch the animation, it only pops up randomly, which we don't want. We want it to pop up on every single frame. So since we have 4 frames, we're going to copy this layer 4 times by just duplicate, no wait, I'm getting ahead of myself here. First you want to make it not really, I'm going to smudge it just a little bit, blur it I mean, just to make it look a little bit more flamey-ish, but you don't have to. Don't make it too blurred, do it quick. Then we're going to duplicate the layer. You don't have to do that if you don't want. I just think it adds a cool effect. And do it 4 times because, well, there is 4 frames of fire. So then, you notice it got darker. Don't worry. You just push merge down. So now you can see this fire has that text on it. So remember where you put it, pull another one down under it, pull the whole layer, merge down again, do it again, just merge down, then merge down for the final time. Now it's all together. Now go to Filters, Animation, Playback, you got your name. And just like that, how we added something, just like my marshmallow, I'm not going to show you because I just showed you how basically you can draw an image over it and make a copy of 4, and you can have a marshmallow over it, which is not really needed. So then you just go to Filters, Animation, Optimize for GIF, then File, Save As, wherever you want it to be saved. Let's just call it Fireball or whatever, it doesn't really matter. And then make sure to type .gif and push save. Now save, this is important, don't merge visible layers, save as animation. Everything else is fine. Export. If you don't want that comment, just click there, it's gone, push save. Then that little animation, wherever you saved it, is ready to go on the web. Thanks for watching.